my name is Mousree and today we will learn that how to make this cool speech recognition in pictoblox. So let's play the game. You are very bad. You are very bad. That's fine. That's fine. I am very happy. Happy. Bad. You are very bad. I will not talk with you. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. That's fine. You are very happy. Happy. Hello guy, bye, bye, bye. Okay, no problem. Okay, la 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 la, oh. Bad guy. Happy. Oh yeah. So guys, let's make the project. So guys, this is very easy. You have to just make like this. So guys, this is a project and just make a sprite. Go to the costumes. You have to go to the costumes. I make these costumes called neutral, called happy, and this called sad. And guys, this is the code. So you can also make it recognize speech to 2 seconds. It may be more easy for you. Hello. You are bad. You are very bad. I am very happy. I am very happy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Means, oh, that's wow. Oh, wow, wow. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.